Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Helena and I'm a medical student. However, today's video is just going to be a lifestyle vlog and I'll be taking you through my week. I spent time with my family for my brother's graduation, and also I had my first YouTube event. So stay tuned. Hopefully you love this video, and also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Today we've got a vlog, and this whole week I have online lectures, and next week too. So I'm back home for 2 weeks and I'm just doing my lectures from home. So I thought I'll start the vlog here. I wasn't gonna vlog this week, but I thought why not, like might as well. I actually have a half day, so today is Wednesday. I have 2 lectures and a video, and I'm not sure, maybe I'll upload that video first. But it's a video of me taking my GCSE maths test, or basically going through a GCSE maths test, like after like 10 years of doing my GCSE. But anyways, if I've uploaded that video, I'll put it at the top for you guys to watch it after this video. I have lectures at 9 AM. I actually haven't had breakfast or anything, but I was thinking I might just make myself a smoothie. I'm in the mood for a smoothie. But then I usually like avocado and banana smoothie, but there's no bananas, but there's strawberries. So I'm going to see if avocado and strawberries go together. There's some videos on YouTube and they are smoothies like that, so hopefully it will taste nice. So this week in particular, I have nothing like in particular going on. But then next week, so next week, Tuesday, the 22nd of March, is my brother's graduation. If you don't know, I have one brother and one sister. So I'm the firstborn, and it's my brother and then my sister. So my brother actually graduated in 2020, but as we all know, 2020 was the year of, well, COVID was 2019 technically, but you know, 2020 was the year of lockdown basically. So my brother's graduation got cancelled. So he graduated in 2020, but there was no graduation. However, kindly, his university decided to have a ceremony, so a graduation ceremony, which is taking place on the 22nd of March. So I'll be vlogging all of that, and this will be in this vlog too. I might as well just put everything together. So this is not gonna be my typical med school vlog. This is just kind of like lifestyle vlog, really, like what's going on in my life really. So online med school, brother's graduation, and whatever I get up to during these 2 weeks. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Wow, that was a very long intro. That's like 3 minutes or so. But anyways, I'm gonna make my smoothie. So today's graduation was great, had a good time, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog too. So I'm here doing some shopping with my mum, and I've literally got so many bags here. I'm so tired. I'm trying to get a picture frame for one of my art prints. The art prints that was in one of my previous vlog, but I can't find the right size. So these are the ones they've got. I love this one. I'm trying to see which one to get. I like this one here, but it's too big. So I'm about to get this. Use that. I asked her she wants to use that. You just roll the eyes. I asked you if you want to use that. Warm up. Not bad.
Don't know how to go on because she was really getting one.
I actually won. I just got a second. That was fun.
I never carry last except this one. I rather came last. How does it feel to be last today? I feel good.
I'm trying to get another game on.
So today I'm going to be attending I would say my first YouTube event, but it's online. So there's 2 events today. The event was actually sent to me by YouTube, so it's celebrating women on YouTube. I know the first event is hosted by Malala. I'm sure you guys might have heard of her before, but yeah, that's the first event. And then the second one, there's no official guest list. They've hidden the guest list, but it just said it's going to be women on YouTube. So I'm yet to find out who exactly is going to be there. And I'm actually excited, to be honest. I'm really excited because I've never been to a YouTube event. Hi guys, so we are actually done with the event, and honestly I'm actually inspired. Like, I'm inspired and I'm encouraged to continue with YouTube and to continue to put out more videos. So the event was called Women of YouTube, and it was so cool. The first session was with Malala, and she was just encouraging young women to strive for the best, really. And she's very passionate about education, and I love it, especially education for women. And yeah, I was inspired. And then we had another event, and it was a way to actually connect with other YouTubers in the UK as well, because YouTube is so diverse. I met people who do different things, like from cooking to people who've written like 5 books, and I'm just like, whoa, like, just people who are inspiring, doing creative things. Like, I was just amazed, basically. And I'm hoping to join more YouTube events, and I'm so glad that I was able to, you know, connect with this YouTube event. Hopefully in the future, they did mention about possibly having events in person, and that would be really good. Anyways guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my week. Hopefully I'll have more content coming up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, like, what are you waiting for? I'm joking. But yeah, you know, subscribe to my channel. As I'm filming this video today, I'm actually on 1,663 subscribers. Yep, I checked today. And also as well, I'm close to monetization. I'm nearly at my 4,000 watch hours. So today has been a good day, basically. Let's hope the rest of the week is good too. I just realized I've been recording for a while, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.